हम अक्सर जनरेशन गैप के बारे में सुनते हैं अपने पेरेंट्स से कि देयर इज़ अ जनरेशन गैप बिटवीन अस. व्हाट इज़ अ जनरेशन गैप? It is differences in thought processes and the ideology of life of one age group with that of another. For example, हमारे अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ और हमारे पेरेंट्स का हमारे ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स के साथ. जो जनरेशन अर्ली 80s और 90s की थी, they're called the millennial generation, which is us. उसके बाद comes the Gen Z generation, Generation Z, जो कि 90s और early 2000s के बीच. And the generation after that is called the Generation Alpha. Now, it is very important to understand the mindset and जो evolve होता है ideology and thought process with passing time and era. It is very important to understand that. 2-3 दिन पहले मुझे एक खबर मिली कि एक यंग लड़की ने from a very known cafe in DHL लाहौर, she tried to commit a suicide. अब come to think of it, ये एक बहुत ट्रैजिक सी न्यूज़ है सुनने में. And thankfully I heard that she survived. A lot of people jumped into the bandwagon of saying कि वो तो psycho case है and उसको तो problem थी या वो पागल थी. It's very disturbing to hear news like that, and then on top of it to hear people mention such events in such a way कि इंसान सोचने पे मजबूर हो जाता है. Come to think of it, why did a young girl want to react to a situation like that? हमारी सोसाइटी के अंदर और पर्टिकुलरली जो इवॉल्विंग टाइम के साथ जनरेशन के चैलेंजेस हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ते जा रहे हैं. एंड वी रियली नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस. पेरेंट्स अक्सर हम अपने बड़ों से ये सुनते हैं कि हमने तो जी 10-12 बच्चे पाले, and of course rightfully so, but raising kids back in 80s and 90s was way different than raising kids now. 80s में और 90s में 10 बच्चे are equivalent to 2 kids now, because अब जो बच्चे हैं और जो जनरेशन है उसके साथ चैलेंजेस बहुत ज़्यादा हैं, particularly because of social media, because of internet, and because the world has become such a globally connected place now. Access बहुत ज़्यादा हो गई है, and that is exactly the reason why trust issues, लोगों के पास options इतनी ज़्यादा हैं. It is so important for parents to study their children. बच्चे बिल्कुल एक assignment बन चुके हैं for parents nowadays, and parents के लिए it is very important to sit with their children, to talk to them about problems. I am 100% sure कि जो ये खातून जिन्होंने एक सुसाइड कमिट करने की कोशिश की, इस तरह हमारे मुल्क के अंदर 70% people are going through such incidents, and जिसके अंदर parents hardly are aware of what their kids are going through. So it is equally challenging for parents and children both. बच्चों के लिए जो growing challenges आ चुके हैं with the current age of, like I always mention, the quest to achieve perfection, उसके साथ, and then for parents to deal with this generation is equally challenging. So it is very important बच्चों और माँ बाप के लिए to sit together, to understand each other and to know each other, because ये problems वक्त के साथ बढ़ते जाएंगे, ये challenges कम नहीं होंगे, ये वक्त with time they're going to increase. So it is very important to sit amongst each other, to sort each other's problems out, and to talk about any issue that is going on.